They look nice around. And you wrapped them in what? Toyos? And what are they?
4x108.
You bought 4x108 wheels for a 4x100 car?
No, it's a finger tight.
Finger tight!
I got scumazzed again.
Take it off. There. Didn't even check. Fucking massive. Unwrapped in scaffolding! Doing 90! Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. So, what are we doing here?
Still good. Bad boys. Except I did a bit of a whoopsie. And didn't check that they were 4x100.
And what are they?
4x108.
You bought 4x108 wheels for a 4x100 car?
The eBay ad said 4x100.
I wouldn't listen to eBay ads.
And then, so basically I had to buy these.
Adapters.
And what thickness are they?
15 mil. That's
Fuck.
a big.
So what? Wait. So,
Square
big
right?
whoopsie.
so what spec are they?
14 inch.
Are they
What's the
six?
E2?
Are they six? Are they 6-inch wide?
Yeah, 6J.
I think they're quite an ET, aren't they? Because high ET.
I think they're 44.
Are they really? That's high. Yeah. They look probably. I'd say 38. You know. They look nice around. And you wrapped them in what? Toyos?
Toyos 195, 55. Like 45, sorry.
195, 45.
Yeah, that meaty fitness.
You got TR1s, boxy TR1s. We were going to try the fronts with the spacers. Well, the adapters, sorry. They are spacers / adapters.
Yep, so when you buy the kit, it basically comes with 4 spacers. And these,
Crusty old bolts.
no, these actually quite got nice bolts. But
Crash
if you
on.
get screwed on eBay, like I did, that's how you rectify it.
That will get you.
What,
money
with spacers on the bread van? It never usually works well. Oh, we can test Aaron's welded sill.
back. Oh yeah.
Or
Which
not
is
like
well,
that time
slash
I went
slash
through the,
floor.
It's not like that time I went through the spare wheel well.
Let's have a look. What sort of job did you do?
you've done a jobby on it.
Fuck, that is Aaron.
Undersealed all along.
Hey, the sills look nice now though.
They will never know that there was rust. Unless you see this video at like buying it, so.
In which case, the car was never painted.
Thick. What were these? Sonar? We got the sonar.
Sonar tyres. Look.
I had burners.
Oi!
Literally, look how much threads on them. You can just sit in second gear.
175. What are these? 175, 55.
Fuck, mate, they're crusty, aren't they?
175, 50.
I think they're old, aren't they?
What's the date on them?
Oh, how your new brakes getting on that one?
If you haven't seen that video, link in the top corner.
Ready? Point in the cut corner. Ah, he didn't know which way to go.
Yeah, it'll be this corner.
Is it? Okay, maybe up there.
I think these are 2010.
Oh,
I
is
swear
what the
it's
age?
last digit of that, and that's 10.
30, isn't it the 34th week, 2010?
Yeah.
The 34th
So you got
week.
10-year-old tyres.
What were these?
Well, they're really new, aren't they? 2020 or 2019 at least.
There, yeah.
19, yeah.
19.
35th week, 2019.
10-year-old tyres.
They're still good. They got me around.
They're fucking leaking air. What are you on
No, the one that's leaking air is on that side.
Don't tell them that. He's telling them. They don't leak air. They're all good.
Yeah, pristine.
He wants 250 for the set with tyres.
With tyres. It's big, that is.
Holy fuck! That's naughty.
That's big, that is.
Your wheel bearings are going to be dead.
The front as well.
Yeah. Wait, no, they're not. Look. No, they're different. They're completely different thread.
I got scumazzed again.
Take it off. They're there. You didn't even check.
Fucking massive.
You need.
It's like throwing a hot dog down the corridor.
So yeah, they're never gonna tie it up.
Item description. Oh my god.
Why is it fucked?
Fucking hell, this is Ching Chong.
So we got hub size, 51 wheel. Threads, M14 reinforcement. Those are just those.
Mountain bolt M12 by 1.5.
Is it recording?
It's always recording.
Alright.
Oh wait, no, hold on, let me. Okay, go.
6 days later, we now have M14 wheel bolts.
M14. So the guy who sold me these wheel spacers, it was wrong on the listing. They're not M12.
That's eBay spec for
They're
it.
M14, but they do fit because I tested. So
Yeah. Right now, Aaron's handbrake's shit, so we got a bar through 2-wheel bolts just to hold it in place. Oh, they're M10 there.
that's it. So
Sick.
How much we got to take off?
Off 16 of them.
is that 8 plates and I'll have that.
I've got 16 of these.
16? Well, the fronts actually.
Well, what did we do last time? We did 20.
What?
Like it's 20 mil long.
I'll just cut 3 threads off.
How are we going to do this? Set the camera up.
Oh, look at that.
Can't wait for that rubbing arch now.
Yeah, I'll have that.
All bold and gone.
That Toyo will just be in half.
Get the front one on.
You see the damage on the inside?
Bastards, aren't they? Selling you shit wheels.
All that rash. You got eggs, man?
You got eggs, man?
Look at that sickle whip.
Play the clip of us fixing the exhaust on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Now. So yeah, the exhaust has fallen off. We are out here in the middle of nowhere trying to fix it.
Yeah, man.
Show the nice people at home the repair.
It's like a cobweb of fucking zip ties.
Yeah, that's really right, that is. Fixed for the next
But not thick.
for the next 4 mile.
That's how low it should be, Aaron. That's how low yours should be.
I thought you had it lower than that.
That is as low as it can go without actually sitting on the floor.
So, we're going for a KFC.
My date is KFC ever.
In Pete's Polo.
All 3 of us.
3 of us with the roll cage. This will be fun. Is the seats even bolted in the back?
I mean, I'm a heavy.
Oh, that. Sounds like shit. Oh my god. The Honda shift. Oh no, boy! Christ! Fucking hell. Fucking hell! What the fuck? What's going on? 90! I'm wrapped in scaffolding, doing 90. Oh my fucking god.
That
So
was
we made it to KFC.
We're having one of them, look, boneless banquet box meal.
They won't serve you because you've been antisocial.
I've been to asthma.
Oh my god. I'm losing hope. Oh no.
I guess it's because it's quite stiff. It doesn't really move.
We got the goods.
They didn't skimp
Don't
out
drop
on
them.
the fries.
Didn't skimp out on the fries either.
I know, they gave us fries today.
I'm glad. So we've got to do now, so we're going to eat that grub, finish cutting your spring. What are you pointing at? You've lost the plot. You have.
Hey, let's go Scotland 3-man leaving.
Are you mad? There'll be nothing left of the floor.
Yeah, now it's blocked already. If there's no floor, we can't scream. Stay tuned.
Ooh,
New episode.
happening soon on that.
Big stuff coming.
So that was us installing my new wheels on the Polo. I've had them a while, but it feels good to get them on now. Alright, so if you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments. Also like and subscribe. Visit our Instagram at ruined_rides_. There. It will be right there. Alright. Cheers. Bye.
Burger. Hey, you gotta go.
Yeah, no, this will it'll just take a print screen out of this.
Nah, what the fuck?
What the fuck? So any of these, use any of these.
That's not child friendly.
Aaron, ready?
I'll have to blow.
Aaron, what are you doing? You gotta point at them like.
No!
Hold on, slow down.
Chicken!